In this video, I will show you how to use markers to organize your projects. I will first go into prython.com/download and get this first example containing our plots. You can see on the lower left part that we have a few markers already loaded. I will press F6 and add a new marker. If I now do a right click on it, I can edit it. Let's write, for example, exporting and put it next to a new panel that will write my outputs into a CSV file. I will naturally create a connection between the first panel that loads the data and this new panel, and then I will run it. The code that we need for writing a CSV in R is very simple. It is actually as simple as writing write.csv, then specifying the object, comma, and the path where we want to save the CSV. Note that I have three options. The first one would run only that panel without the input loading. The second one will run the panel that fits this panel, which is effectively what I want. And the third one will run everything that uses the results generated here, which is not what I want. As I said, I will choose the second one, so after running it, I get the outputs, and as we would expect, they can be located where I dumped them. So here comes the most important part, how to actually use the markers to get redirected to each one of them. So it is as simple as finding the appropriate marker that we want in the markers list on the left lower part of the screen, and then clicking it, and then we'll get redirected. So if I click on scatter plots, I'll get redirected to scatter plots. If I click on correlations, I get redirected to correlations. Same happens for box plots and exporting. So this is very useful because the canvas that we have here for our project in Prython can actually get really big.